Hey guys, so today I have this old box of cars. So today I'm going to be opening it up and seeing what's inside. So hopefully you will enjoy the video. So let's open it. Alright, so starting off we have this Astra. So sorry, so first we have this Astra. As you can see, it seems to have different rims to the back. It's kind of a nice car. Yeah, it look cool if like those rims are on the back as well. But let's see what's inside. If I can get it open. All right. There's the inside. And yeah, so this is like, yeah, so kind of cool to be honest. Back like then again, these are like old cars. So next we have this Audi R8. But yeah, this one I'm pretty sure is made by Welle. Yeah. So we got this Audi R8. Roof seems to be missing. And yeah, V10. Real toy. Probably won't be the most popular brand, but yeah. Next we have this Mercedes. What model is it? It's made by Brago. It is a Mercedes-Benz AMG Roadster. Back wheel is missing. Yeah, red. Got those rims. Actually, kind of a nice car. I actually kind of like the back of it. Kind of like Mercedes. They're nice cars. Next, we have Dom's Charger from Fast and Furious. It's got that. I'm pretty sure this is made by Jada. I think it's Jada. Where does it say it? I don't think it says it. Oh wait, it says it there, Jada. So, yeah, this is the Dom's car from Fast and Furious. Moving on, we have this Nissan GTR made by Burago. 2009. I mean, I've seen cooler ones, but this is yeah, colors will be plain. I've had this for a few years now. And yep, that's that one. Then we got this ice charger, which looks pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this is from Fast and Furious as well. Am I correct? I think it is. Yeah, it is Fast and Furious. Again, it's made by Jada. Can somebody tell me what movie this was in? Because I don't really remember seeing it in any of the movies. I mean, there is a few that I haven't watched. So it was probably one of them. But yeah, I actually really like this. It's pretty cool. Yes, that's that. Now we have this BMW. What is it? BMW Roadster. Wait, wasn't that this one called a Roadster as well? Yeah, it was. So this is BMW Roadster, made by Burago. That seems to be a bit off there. And yeah. Moving on, we have this. I have quite a lot of Fast and Furious cars in here. This is a Nissan Skyline. Yeah, it's also made by Jada and Fast and Furious. I don't exactly know who owns this. Could be uh Paul Walker. I forget what his character name was again, but I know that it was Paul Walker, who died a few years ago in a car crash. Rest in peace, by the way. And yeah. Alright, we're almost coming to the end. There's 3 cars left of the top layer. So this one, what is this one? I need to see. Shelby Series 1, made by Barago. Haven't really heard of this car. Well, I know there's like the Mustang Shelby. I do know quite a few Shelby cars, but this one. Alright, let's move on. We have this Volvo Estate wagon, paramedic. Who actually makes this? It just says made in China. Yeah, I don't know who makes it, but yeah. And then finally on the top there we have this green Porsche 911. It's kind of a nice green color as well. Made by Real Toys, same people that made this R8. And yeah, so let's so now we're on to the second layer. So let's start off with this Land Rover, and I remember this very well actually. I remember playing with this as a kid. Damn. Look at the inside. It's such a nice Jeep, like. Yeah, I remember this as a kid. Maybe at Barago. I mean, they do make these kind of big scale models as well. And then I also have this black version as well. Pretty much the same, except the color is different. This is I don't know what this is made by. It doesn't say anywhere. I think it also might be Brago. And if the other one is that one, there's a good chance that one is. Now we got another white Land Rover. One's probably more recent. Yeah, I think I got this like a few years back, like maybe like I don't know when, but it wasn't that long ago. Land Rover made by Welly. Alright, moving on, we have this one here. Who made this? Yeah, I can remember these. It looks like it's based on a. Excuse me. Looks like it's based on a Range Rover, or I forget, RS. I think it is. Yeah, definitely based off a Range Rover. Next we have this one. This is also a Land Rover, I think. I think it's a Land Rover. Underneath. Tima. It's an ambulance. Whatever happened to the back there, no clue. I think I might have got this at a car boot sale somewhere. I think I did. Anyway, now we got another one of them Range Rovers. This one seems to be kind of orange color. This one's like a red. But since we have already looked at it, I might just move on. Actually, what's in the back? Not much. I actually kind of like the way it goes like that. Alright, second last car now. We got this BMW police car. I think this is a Polish police car. Yeah, I got this on a holiday, I think. I used to collect a lot of these cars on holidays. Yeah, and last but not least, we have this bigger one. Same model, made by Wally. It's the inside. There's the back. BMW X5 it is. It seems like the back wheel is a wee bit wobbly, but yeah. Alright, and we still have one more there. So let's see what we've got. Alright, so first off, we got this Fast and Furious car. It is a Jada Lincoln Hypersport. The front door seems to open like that. Wait, is this supposed to open like that? Yeah, it is. There's the inside. Correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't this the car that like jumped between two buildings in Fast and Furious, like two skyscrapers? I think this is the car, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. But correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, let's move on. We have this another Mercedes Roadster. This one is made by Rastar. It just says AMG SLS. The other one said maybe the other one's just a particular type of Roadster. Yep. Exactly. And then this one isn't what do you call that? Cabrio. It has a roof. Moving on, we have this Citroen. Now, I definitely remember getting this on holidays in Portugal. Yeah, I can clearly. It was like a supermarket near my hotel, and I got this. Bringing back the memories now. Yeah, made by Brago with the Citroen C4. There's the back, and yeah. So moving on, we have. Oh, my hand's kind of getting sore. We got another Audi R8. This one is made by Wally, and it's a nice white color. Backlight seems to be missing though. Front seems to be okay. Wheel rims are pretty nice. Are they same as the other? Yeah, they're actually the same, almost the same anyway. Alright, now we have this red Aston Martin. Probably made by Welly. Yep, I was right. There's the back. What's that wee thing say there? Right. Oops. What does that say? I think this is V8. Is that correct? Alright, let's move on. We only have a few cars left. So we got this wee Fiat 500 made by Welly. I actually remember my auntie got this for me when she was on holidays. Yeah. Alright, well, we only have 4 cars left. This one. I remember this one, like when I was a kid. This is a really old one. Who makes it? It just says China. I don't know what used to be there, but I don't know what this is supposed to be. It could be like a Mitsubishi LS200 and pickup ones. I think that's it. But it seems to be a fire truck. Yeah, I do remember this one as a kid. Alright. Now we have this orange Lamborghini with a missing door. I think what happened was my friend was playing it with it, and somehow the door fell off. But it is a pretty nice Lambo though. Like, look at it, it's so nice. It's kind of a shame that the door's gone, but if I ever find the door, I could maybe put it back on. But it's really nice. Alright, 2 cars left. We have this Porsche. I think it's a 911 Carrera made by Brago. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. And then last but not least, we have another Porsche. I think it's pretty much the same 911 Carrera. Yeah, really, pretty much the same. This one seems to be done up a bit more like it has a spoiler. That one's just. But anyway, guys, I think that's it. That's the box gone. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't worry because I have more boxes. I have like about 1, 2, 3 more boxes, and yeah, so I can like do them as well. So if you want part 2, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to comment and share the video with your friends. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.